Hi guys, in this video we will see how to hide what you follow on your Facebook profile. Here are the process. Open your Facebook profile, tap on 3 horizontal line against top left corner, and here tap on settings and privacy. Tap on it. Here tap on settings again. Here scroll down and go to the section audience and visibility, and here you will find followers and public content. Tap on it. Here you will find who can follow me, who can see your followers on your timeline, who can see the people, pages and lists you follow, who can comment on your public post notifications, and some other features. Here who can see your followers on your timeline. Tap on it, and here you will find 3 options: public, friends and only me. If you want to hide your followers list visible to your public or friends, tap on only me. Now you can see what you are following on your Facebook profile. That's all.